Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to start page numbering on page 2 in Google Docs. To start, open Google Docs. There you will review the document on which you are going to work. After this, place the pointer on the page 2. After, go to the Insert menu and in the Break option, click on Section Break Next Page. You can see that a blank page is added. Place your cursor on the first line of the sheet where the numbering will begin, and with the backspace key, place the sheet in that space. After you do this, double-click on the sheet header and you will see that a new section is created, in this case called Section 2, then deactivate the link to previous. After that, click on Options and choose the Page Numbers option. In this window, in the Apply to field, leave the option, this section, and the number of our section in parentheses, then invalid numbering that starts with the number 1. Click on Apply. As a result, you can see that the numbering starts from the sheet 2 in Google Docs. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.